Hey everybody, we're going to do a quick walkthrough on Zone 1 over here. It's been a while since we've been through here. We made a few changes, so just wanted to show you how everything was going. So looking across here, as you can see, I have added, this is Henderson's Black Simpson lettuce that I got the seed from Baker Creek. It's pretty reliable lettuce. Here we've got an assortment of weird stuff that none of it was probably planted, so we'll dig that one back out. Cayenne has been flushing again. We've got quite a few green ones in here. I just picked the red ones. You see that in the little clip. And in our green stalk here, I planted Merlot lettuce in this ring that the spinach didn't germinate properly in. And once again, we've got more lettuce here. That's more of the Hendersons. And then we've got spinach and the rest of it. Moving on, here are green onions. There's more Henderson's Black Simpson lettuce. This is actually where I am taking the sprouts and putting them in pots. Got more of them over there too. I've also got some green butterhead Salanova here, and there's a this is a red oak leaf Salanova. Same there. Those seeds are kind of expensive, so I'm just growing a few of them. That is actually my favorite lettuce. If I was market gardening, I'd probably go with that. Down here, we have another green onion bucket. Moving on. I believe this one is supposed to have lemongrass in it. It has not come up. There's a lot of henbit and stuff in there. That'll probably all get chopped up and just composted back into the pot. And our rosemary. Doing rather nice. Empty bucket. I am planning on possibly putting Cuban oregano in here. Here's our cilantro. That's grown up quite a bit since last time. And our sage. And here is the rue. From what I understand, this is the stuff that they sprinkle holy water onto things with in Eastern Europe. Here is our basil. I just harvested off of that today too. And our chocolate mint is just kind of coming back a little bit at a time, so I think the roots are still stable there. Moving over here, I've been blowing the leaves that are all over the ground here into this bed. Make a nice cover for our ginger. That does not need to come up until after the winter. We've got a polar vortex that they're saying is going to possibly come on Thursday. We'll see. And here's our sugar. Gonna have to cut those back to the ground and cover them up before that freeze. And there you have it. That's zone 1 for today. Talk to you guys next time.